scarf to put my hair up is one of my favorite things to do in the summer. It's especially if you're like going into a party, you've got a cute little sundress on, having your hair up in a bun with a scarf is so much cuter than just a bun by itself. A scarf is just a pretty, silky, shiny accessory. This is a satin scarf I got off Amazon. It is very big. I have it folded into a triangle. It's actually a square, so I've just folded it into this triangle shape. You absolutely can use a smaller scarf than this. I like a big scarf. I like lots of scarf. A, it adds volume to my hair, and B, there's lots of scarf, and I like this scarf to be part of the hairstyle, not just the thing that creates the hairstyle. So pick a scarf that's gonna match your outfit. I love this one. It looks pretty with a pink dress, a green dress, a black dress. So I picked this colored scarf, but I mean, pick whatever color you want. Obviously the color doesn't matter for the style, just for your personal preference. I do like satin over cotton because it's shiny and it's going to have less friction in your hair. But again, you could just use a cotton scarf as well instead of a satin one. So I've got my hair up in a ponytail already. So that's how we're gonna start. I've left my bangs out. You don't have to do that. You can pull your hair back slick. Totally your call, whatever you want to do. And I'm just going to roll my scarf into a tube. So we're gonna do two different buns. And the first one we're going to do is this one, where we're going to take our ponytail, we're gonna pull it forward, and on the underside of our ponytail, we're going to lay our scarf. We're gonna take those ends, fold them over the ponytail, and then we're going to roll. Now you wanna make sure that you don't just start to roll the scarf, not a scrunchie, inside your hair. You wanna roll the hair and the scarf together so that it doesn't just slip out. So I'm folding it over, I'm flipping it, and this is gonna ensure that everything's rolling together. So we're gonna roll, roll, roll until we've got that, and I'm gonna pull my scarf across, crisscross, bring it back, and I'm gonna tie it into a bow in the back. I'm going to pull the hair up so we can see it sticking out of that scarf. As you can see, the scarf is very much part of the hairstyle, not just the tool that puts the hair up. I would then add a little hairspray so that doesn't go anywhere, but it really shouldn't. It's a pretty secure style. Looks really pretty. Really fun way to pop your hair up for summer. Now we are going to do our second bun style. So for this one, I'm gonna take the top side of the hair and I'm gonna fold that over my scarf like so, and I'm gonna roll everything forward. Again, I'm gonna crisscross it behind. Now for this one, I'm only gonna go back. I'm not gonna come back around the front, creating that sort of wrap around. I wanna see just bun at the front. So I just tied it at the back. I'm gonna create a bow. This one has a bit more of a tail, so I'll get more of a bow than the last one, which is more of just like a dangly bit. Nice and tight. And then we're just gonna fan this out, which looks so pretty. This is my favorite. This is how I would probably wear my hair to a wedding, to a baby shower, in someone's garden with a pretty sundress. It's so great because you can get all kinds of scarves to match all kinds of outfits. It looks so pretty. If you want a little extra security, you could add a little bobby pins right here, maybe 2 or 3 at the perimeter, but if you've rolled it right, it should be pretty secure. It shouldn't want to go anywhere. It's not going to just slip out. A little bit of hairspray and you are good all day long. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a couple more fun ideas. I have done these ones before, but they were a couple years old, so I thought I'm just gonna redo them because these are styles I go back to every summer, and I always get so many compliments when I wear my hair in these scarf styles. They are always a crowd pleaser. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe, and leave me a comment to let me know what other videos you would like to see, because I would love to hear from you. Bye, guys.